Sergey and I met with him walking through our front door, and with the ability of Google Translate was able to ask for a job, and I was able to respond and give him the job. He had a shop very similar to ours in Kiev. As we all know what happened in Kiev, so he and his whole family actually escaped and came here and came in one day. He owned a Llumar dealership similar to ours. Prior to him walking in the door, I had never seen any of his work. However, you get a feeling when you meet somebody, and I had that feeling the minute he walked through the door. First thing he did was show us his Instagram page. He said, "Let me do a car and show you my work." So after a few minutes of communicating via Google Translate, we hired him. He is like the best employee. Everything he touches is perfect. We love having him on the team, and we would love for people to come down and meet him and see his work. He can do everything from paintless dent repair to window tint to paint protection film. Right now he's working on vinyl on a Maserati. We're learning more and more, and he's opening up to us, and it's fun. I'm learning a little bit of Ukrainian, and he's learning much more English. I mean, we love everybody that works here, but he's just, because of the language barrier, it makes it more interesting, you know, because you want to see him grow and flourish here. You can describe it as happiness. It's more like blessed. Like, we got really lucky having him walk in our door.